What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm giving you a quick review of Monday.com and whether it's worth using for project management and team collaboration. Monday.com is a work operating system built to help teams plan, track, and manage work in one place. Instead of juggling separate tools for tasks, timelines, documents, and communication, Monday tries to bring everything together into a single, customizable workspace. Right away, what stands out is how flexible and visual it is. You can create boards for projects, set up tasks with deadlines, assign team members, and view everything in different formats like lists, calendars, timelines, or Kanban boards. This makes it easy to see what's happening at a glance and adapt to different workflows. Monday also supports automation and integrations. You can automate repetitive tasks, for example, moving items when deadlines change or sending reminders when a task is overdue. It also connects with tools you probably already use like Slack, Google Drive, Outlook, and many others, which makes your workflow more seamless. Collaboration features are solid too. Teams can leave comments, attach files, update statuses, and keep everything related to a task centralized. For remote teams or distributed workflows, having one shared place for progress and discussion can save a lot of time. That said, Monday.com may feel a bit overwhelming at first, especially if you're new to project management tools. The flexibility is great, but it also means there's a learning curve to setting up boards and customizing workflows. For very small teams or simple to-do lists, it might feel like more than you need. Overall, Monday.com is a powerful tool for teams that want a customizable, collaborative platform for planning and tracking work. If you're managing projects, deadlines, and team tasks regularly, it's definitely worth checking out. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.